Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Some big games coming up this week. I thought I'd do some football snacks here. Just some new ideas to get yourself full up before the game and hopefully enjoy it with a nice drink or two afterwards. So today's recipe is French toast. I'm Jimbo. This is my kitchen. Let's have a look how it's made. Right, so let's start off by making the mixture for the French toast. What you need is 1 egg, cinnamon powder, 1 lid of vanilla essence, dollop of honey, next ingredient, 1/2 cup of milk. And then what you do is just stir it with a fork. You're breading the toaster here for like just a minute, just to get it nice and dry, because you need your toast to be dry. Yeah, feel free to stick some extra sugar in here. You can never have enough sugar on French toast. Be a bit strong, just push it in like that. Make sure it's got a nice coating, guys. Like this. Nice guys, you got it right. Well done. Now we need to cook this. And look, the French toast is very good now. So then you just sprinkle with a bit of cinnamon and sugar, and then you're good to go. This is easy made French toast. Make it with some hot chocolate and you're good to go. And so now we're coming to the end of our French toast lesson. Just add a little bit of butter into the pan and on the breads, like so. And yeah, I've just sprinkled this with a bit of cinnamon and sugar on top. And you want to get your you want to get it like toast, and then you can have some hot chocolate with it. So this is what it looks like. Your morning meal: hot chocolate, a bit of cinnamon, sugar and honey. A Belgian chocolate, by the way, actually, in honour of our fantastic manager at the moment, Philippe Clement. Let it set on a plate for a couple of minutes, and then you're good to go. This is what you're looking for on both sides of the toast. You want it to be a bit well done on both sides, and you just let it set, and because it's going to be very hot because it's just come out of the pan, but just have that. Now it's piece la resistance, is the taste test. Let's have a go. Chocolate. Très bien, très bien. Now for the French toast. Very, very good. Très bien, très bien. 10 out of 10. Tastes like a brioche. A brioche, you know them rolls you buy in the shops? Very good. Au revoir. See you on the next show. Welcome. Goodbye. Welcome to the channel.